Back with Coach Badong na medyo nagsasawa na sa pagmumukha natin. Coach, nice game the last time duman sa Santo Domingo. A little bit of back and forth between you guys, but in the fourth quarter, parang may sarok pang gear ang team nindo, ano? Double-digit win for you guys. Could you describe the performance you guys had the last time? Nung isang araw lang yun, di ba? Describe the performance of your team.
Obviously naman, nakita naman sa laro na ganado yung mga player gustong makipaglaban talaga. At the same time, malaking faktor na nakadagdag yung mga baguhan talaga namin. Kasi yun, mga bata pa, nakakatakbo talaga. Yun ang ginaganda ng mga matanda.
Na Coach, you guys, Team Malinaw and Team Tabaco, kamo ang top 2 teams last year, ano. Ngunyan, mukhang if Team Tabaco wins again, they will be on the top seed again this year. Anong mentality nindo ngunyan kung paano nindo ipupush ang sadiri nindo na manggana ngunyan na road team kamo?
Sa amin, sabi ko nga sa mga player ko, maliliit tayo. The same time, kulang tayo sa laki. Sabi ko, baka makuha natin sa bilis.
Okay.
Yun lang. Sabi ko, bilis lang, takbo lang ng takbo. Baka doon natin kayanin. Kasi kung slow pace natin, hindi talaga kakayanin. Sabi ko, run lang ng run. Kasi sabi ko, kung makikipagbakan kami ng one-on-one or talagang physical, mismatch talaga. Kumbaga, sa kanila, marami palit sa amin. Kunti lang talaga yung mga nag-contribute na grabe. Although, lahat naman sila competitive lahat, pero when it comes to skills talaga, sabihin natin, mas may skills talaga Team Tabaco.
Now, Coach, obviously you are receiving a lot of greetings from your former players here in Team Tabaco, and obviously a lot of ACC players as well on your team. Coach, can you tell us a little bit something about your players or former players, former ACC Serpents playing here against for Team Tabaco rather?
Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat kami na yung mga player namin na accommodate na ng mga teams na sa kada municipality. Kumbaga, para sa akin, as a coach, nagbunga naman yung pinaghihirapan namin taon-taon. It's about time, sabi ko nga, ilang taon rin sila nag-practice, halos araw-araw. Sabi ko nagbunga naman. Sabi ko, thanks God, kasi may napunta naman yung pinagpapaguro namin araw-araw.
And we're really trying to push this Serpent showdown tonight, Coach. So we hope we see a good game. Good luck tonight, Coach.
Good luck.